playing off stream. And see, guys, you guys are saying that streamers don't work long hours.
Back to enjoy the bonfire.
I'm freezing the collector to smoothen out my curve. Timber, thank you for the sub. Working overtime. Can we get Gamba? Yeah. I'll give you Preds. I'll give you the predicciones. Maybe he's having fun with the game. I'm also having fun with the game. And I'll probably also play a bit of stream, but actually, rather than play off stream, I prefer to like watch other streamers when I'm not streaming myself to see their perspective on things. I feel like I'm already playing while streaming. When I'm not streaming, I want to like diversify the training methods.
Back to enjoy the bonfire.
She sells seashells.
Null is better. Actually, I see more and more streamers getting standing desks. Because sitting so long can be unhealthy. Have you thought about that at all? Dude, I was ahead of the meta. The desk I currently have, I have it for like 8 years. And it is a standing desk. And I use it as a standing desk like 8 years ago. But I think also standing and not really moving is not really good for your joints. So you have to be careful with that. But then you can like keep moving while standing, but it's kind of like weird for the people watching on stream. It makes you look a little bit more uneasy. What I do is just I walk my dog and I also go to the gym. And I feel like that's a pretty good balance for like sitting down. I'm not like the first human to sit down for a few hours at my job. I don't think I'm gonna die because of it. So my desk is a standing desk, but I'm not using the standing function for the reasons that I listed earlier.
Back to enjoy the bonfire.
This guy just left. Do we just push?
This should give you more options.
I don't like this guy in a non-Quillbore environment. I think we push again to 4 next turn. Mechs are kind of good, and I think Deathwing is quite good at playing mechs.
Out there.
I still need to figure out exactly what I want to do. How do you like Relentless Sentry? Which one is that?
Everyone, a toast to the victor.
Oh, this. It's very good. Very good card, yeah. So Galakron goes for tier 7. That would mean he doesn't have it right now, right? I found it a little bit better to focus on Mechanotank and just mechs, even in undead lobbies. I didn't get the best results with undead, the same way I didn't get the best results with elementals. I'm sure both tribes are good in the right situation, but I'm just not hitting the right situation, and it's kind of like tilter. It's kind of a tilter. It's fine, working on it. It's all good, man.
Midsummer is my favorite time of year.
What tribe are you getting good results with? So far, Pirates, Quillbore. Mechs. Morlocks. in this order. Or more like pirates. Pirates seem like the most consistent tribe so far. But maybe I also had like some pirate polarized lobbies. For example, in economy lobbies where like all minions are gold and shit like that, pirates seem to perform the best. Pirates seem to be the craziest. Nice trade. This guy is greeting hard for a 7.
Seems like the competition is heating up.
Kruner. I don't like the Kruner that much. Brim counter.
Another minion for the warband. A fine place to start.
Pretty terrible start. Did you try elementals in all golden minions? Yeah, and pirates seem better. Although if you can go rock, double rock elementals, maybe that's better. But you would need to have like double rock, one played on one turn, one played on the other turn, and just like turbo buff your stats for the entire tavern. But yeah, some of the lobbies are like incredibly APM in tense. Intensive or intense? How do you say it? Yeah, this game I don't know if I can utilize Tavern 7. Not right now. I wanna chill on Tavern 4. I'm looking for base guild, Brim counter, lookout. And then stuff like tank, maybe scraper can also be valuable. Have I already got the anomaly where you have only one tribe in the entire lobby? No, I didn't get that one yet. And I actually got a pretty good spread of anomalies throughout. Sindorai. Okay, Sindorai into Deflecto. Seems good, looks good. Bear back 1 sec. Do you think there should be voting on which anomaly is to be played? Yes, and I think only people that bought the Tavern Pass should be able to vote. This is how the Greeks imagined democracy. No, I don't think there should be any voting. I think it should just be random like now. How do you get the tier 7 minions?
You're a real
Either by leveling to tier 7 or discovering a tier 7 in one way or another. So some heroes are better than others. Let's say Galakron has like an easier access to tier 7 minions. But I don't know, straight for tempo reasons? Other than the demon guy, the Sargeras, most tier 7s don't give you that much immediate tempo. Oh my god. Ah.